1. Dark chocolate contains caffeine, but the amount is relatively small compared to a cup of coffee. 2. There are various types of corn, but only one, Z. maize averta, can be popped to make popcorn. 3. Many flowers are edible, including nasturtiums, pansies, and violets. They can be used to decorate dishes or in salads. 4. Ketchup wasn't always tomato. Early ketchup recipes in the 18th century used ingredients like mushrooms, oysters, and walnuts instead of tomatoes. 5. Spicy food and pain relief. Eating spicy food can trigger the release of endorphins, which are natural painkillers. 6. The world's smelliest fruit. The durian fruit is often considered the world's smelliest fruit due to its pungent odor, which some people describe as a mix of rotten onions and gym socks. 7. Brazil is the world's largest coffee producer, accounting for about a third of all coffee production. 8. Salt preserved history. Salt was once so valuable that it was used as currency. The word salary comes from the Latin word salarium, which means payment in salt. 9. The world's most expensive spice. Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world, derived from the stigma of the crocus flower. It takes about 75,000 saffron blossoms to make 1 pound of saffron threads. 10. A nut. Not a nut. Despite its name, the peanut is not a true nut. It's actually a legume, related to beans and lentils.